name is Jess and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have a very easy DIY that I hope that you like it. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. And let's get started. Okay guys, so for the first project, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree vase that I love. I really like the nice shape that it has and I wanted to add some legs to this vase. So for that, I'm going to be using these wooden caps that I got from Walmart. And this package has 8 in 2 different sizes. And for this project, I'm only going to be using 3 of the smallest ones. To stick them, I will use E6000 glue to make it strong and hot glue to dry faster. After I glue these 3 caps and the glue is dry, you can paint your vase the color you want. I'm going to be using my spray paint in Black Ultra Matte and then let it dry. Once the vase is dry, I decide to use this Dollar Tree U-twine and I'm going to give it like 2 or 3 turns on the top of the vase and then tie a bow. Then I add a detail to the bow with this wooden fall leaf from Dollar Tree. It's supposed to be a sticker. I just removed the sticker. I made a small hole with my drill and then I tie it with the U-twine. Finally, I decide to place some of these Dollar Tree weeds inside of the vase, and guys, this will be the result of the first project and I love how it looks. I think it has a very high-end looking and it is perfect for fall and Halloween. For the second project, I'm going to be using 2 of these wooden crates from Dollar Tree. And I want to join them and make them a little bit longer, like a long wooden crate. So for that, I'm going to be using hot glue and I'm going to add it on one side of the crate and then glue them together. From there, I'm going to add some color, and for that I'm going to be using my Waverly chalk paint in black color. I just give it 1 coat of paint, make sure that everything is covered and then dry it. To dry this project and all my projects, I love to use my heat tool because it is much faster and easier. In the description, you can find the link of this product. Once everything is dry, I will use my sanding sponge and I will sand all the edges of the crate to highlight the natural color of the wood. This is not necessary, but I really love how it looks. Now, I also want to give this project some height, so for that I'm going to be using the other wooden caps that I have left over. And the first thing I did was to paint them with my Waverly wax in antique color and then let them dry. To stick them, I'm going to be using hot glue and I'm going to glue 1 on each corner of the crate. From there, the only thing you need to do is to fill and decorate your crate as you want. I decided to use this greenery, it's from Walmart, and then I decided to add some cotton balls. These ones are from Hobby Lobby, but you can find also cotton balls at Dollar Tree. And then I also add foxtail to finish filling any space that I have left over, and I think it looks super good. I love the neutral colors it has, and I think it is perfect for the fall season and maybe Christmas. What do you think? The last project is super simple. I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree bubble base, and I want to stick a candle holder on it. And Dollar Tree has several options of candle holders. I decided to use this one that is made of glass, and the only thing I'm going to be doing is to stick it on my bubble base with E6000 glue and hot glue to make it stronger and make sure that dries faster. I'm going to be painting everything the same color, and this year for fall I'm going to be using a lot of the copper color. So I bought this spray paint in Amazon and I love the color, it is perfect. So I decided to paint my base, and guys, in the description box you can find the link of this spray paint. Once it is dry, I decide to put a piece of jute twine on the top from Dollar Tree, just to give it a nice touch. And finally, you can add maybe a candle. I decide to put this piece of eucalyptus garland that I also buy in Amazon, and I have it for a long time. And I love this will be the result of my last project. And I really like how simple it was to do, super budget friendly, and it looks with a high-end looking using Dollar Tree items. And I really hope that these easy DIY ideas help you and inspires you to be creative. Please, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which project was your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video and these ideas with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages. All the links are going to be in the description box, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye guys!